Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And the sun is setting down, but I feel that this particular time, all the harsh things tender up, soften up. There is something profound in this moment. Let's have a chat. So, I am always amazed by the fact that I still make mistake. I still make silly mistake. I still make unbelievable, unthinkable, these low-level, unintelligent mistakes. It just make me feel so, oh, that must be a deer. Is that a deer? Let's go in to take a look. I hope that is not a mountain lion. Oh dear, I cannot see any deer. So, do you? Sometimes I am thinking, at my age, white-haired old woman, I should be a little bit smarter. I should make some smarter mistake. I do not deserve to repeat the same mistake and same shortcoming and same blame by other people and criticized by other people for the same exact or even worse reason. Oh, this makes me... But on the other hand, I think it's part of our nature, right? How we do things is part of our nature. Now I start to think, for example, video making. And it's part of my nature to not edit, not make it professional. And it's part of my draw. It's part of my attractiveness or charm. That's a good word. A part of my character to be authentic. And at the same time, this authenticity is a weakness. Can you believe it? It is a weakness. When it is depending how you measure this authentic, how you measure this quality. Any quality, I think any quality, is its own enemy. Being authentic means you do not pretend. You do not edit. You do not put anything artificial. Life is life. Things happen is how things happen. I cook with the noise, with the food out of the frame, with all this. It's part of the real life. But I think it's part of the reason this kind of video is so vivid and true. It is right, it is okay when the people understand you and appreciate you, and okay or not okay, not appreciate, maybe not appreciate, but is okay with your style. However, if you put this kind of authentic style into a different standard, into a competition of cinematography, of course, that is not good. The sound is not good, the picture is not in the frame, and the noise is over loud, all these. So it also depends on the resource of reference. It depends on your reference. I am criticized or having trouble because of my video quality for that particular reason. Just by talking it starts to clarify my mind. That is, I have put my video in the wrong place to start with. I mean, some kind of my video. I was doing a teaching video and teach how to do painting. And because, okay, let me explain it in a better style. And I will redo this class. I did a skillshare class. And I took the video with iPhone 13 Pro. And the image, I think, is okay. But maybe because of the light, it just does not look good. And it does look good on YouTube, but it's not yet working well on Skillshare on some place. So my class got closed. I got a strike for that. So I will redo that class, re-upload, not edit. I think I will do a new class and open it up, and then I will take 6 months a break from Skillshare because I got 2 strikes. I was just so, And when I first received that email that I got a strike, quality strike, because the color and things is not good, I felt, bum, something slapped on my face, something knocked me down. Felt so bad. And after some time, especially now when I am talking, I start to feel okay. Okay for one thing. Okay for several things. Okay for first, it teaches me again, pay attention to the quality. I think I got Skillshare content strike one time because of I published the class too early. I was so eager to publish the class that I published my second class within 1 week. They have a policy that you have to wait 1 more week. So that is one time I got, and I learned the lesson. Now I never publish at that time. The second one is because I didn't have an introduction video. I thought I have an introduction video, but they need a dedicated individual 1 minute to 2 minute video as an introduction, which you just make another video even if it is repeating. And the third strike, that's a long time ago. The third strike was not teaching math. And now the fourth strike, this one is about video quality. I think I am covering everything now. Maybe next one, audio quality, I will not have that problem. I will not have problem of video or audio quality. So I am exhausting all these problems. Oh. So now I am thinking about it. I got a strike. I cannot upload. It's okay. At least it teaches me one lesson. It teaches me several lessons. One lesson is pay attention to quality. This quality means you do not make video for your own entertainment, for your own enjoyment. You make video as if you are in the classroom. You have to fit into other people's standard of being a teacher. You may think I'm a good teacher. I may think I'm a good teacher. But we need to make sure that the classroom management, that Skillshare or any of the online teaching standard, they think I am a good teaching method. That is important. We need to fit into other people's room if we want to rent their room, right? We need to fit into their standard. And the second thing I am thinking it. It's okay. After 6 months, the strike will roll out. I have 2 strikes now, and if I put another one, the 3rd strike, then I will be in really big trouble. My account will be closed. So what I can do, I can stop posting class for 6 months, and then after 6 months, when it is all rolled out, I can restart my counting. It's not a death sentence. It's not capital punishment. Skillshare have this policy. You have 3 strikes, and then you get banned. But after 6 months, you will recount. You will have 0. After 6 months, you will have 0 strike. It will start the recount. So I will do that. So it makes me to think about it. I'm not afraid now. I can just stop making video for this, making Skillshare new classes. And I already have 20 class something. So I can just make advertisement, promote my existing class, and that should be good. Actually, when I think about it, I should be grateful for giving me this strike, right? Okay, so under the description of this video, the first one is my Skillshare class. Go there. You make the judgment if that class is as bad. Okay? It is good to talk, to think, to talk to yourself. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye-bye.